is it a well-intentioned decision that unintentionally slowed the delivery of everything to millions of South Africans? Why?
Yeah, I think it's a Pyrrhic victory. I think it looks nice for middle class and upper middle class activists who want to live in Sea Point but can't find a house that that suits them because it's too expensive. Suits them well. It also looks nice if you're writing sociology papers about things like spatial apartheid. And so amongst academics, this probably also looks very nice. But where the tar hits the road, this is going to make housing more difficult to produce. And we're going to have to demand from our public sector servants decisive action and proper management in order to overcome this. One of the easiest ways, I think, in Cape Town to overcome the effects of this judgment is simply to make overlay zoning apply to larger swaths of land. And so overlay zoning is this idea that the zoning scheme, which says what may be built where, has certain areas where, notwithstanding what your piece of land is zoned as, whether it's single res 1 or general business 2 or group housing 1 or whatever, no matter the zoning, you may, as of right, build a block of flats of no more than 12 flats